and gentlemen, the moment we all have been waiting for, joining us is someone who has truly captured hearts across nation with her grace. Yes, with her chart-topping hits. None other than the ever radiant, the ever graceful. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Karishma Kapoor! A warm welcome to you, ma'am. We are truly thrilled to have you here with us today. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, please.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'd like to extend a warm welcome to everyone present here today. Our dearest customers, bloggers, influencers, the media, our retail brand partners, and above all, Karishma Kapoor, a warm welcome to you. We are extremely proud to have here with us Karishma Kapoor, who's the face of the Phoenix Shopping Festival campaign. And not only is she a true icon of the Indian cinema, but she's also a fashion diva that we all love. And we're absolutely delighted to have her in our presence today. 4,000 brand stores, and we are extremely passionate to constantly bring new experiences and new brands to all our centers across the country. And one such endeavor is the Phoenix Shopping Festival that we are very proud to launch here today along with Karishma. The Phoenix Shopping Festival is a celebration of fashion, food, rewards, entertainment and unforgettable experiences. So I'm extremely delighted to invite everyone to enjoy the shopping festival. Thank you.
Good evening, guys. Hello. I can't hear you all. Hello. Good evening, everyone. It's such a pleasure to be here at Phoenix and such an honor to be launching Phoenix Shopping Festival 2025. And I think what's really important to me and very special to me that this year's shopping festival has a great initiative to it, which is shop and give back. So we are all going to shop here, and whatever proceeds are collected are going to be given back to society. So I think that's absolutely beautiful and very special to me, and that's why it's a great honor to be here for this special occasion and this great initiative. And I'd really like to wish Phoenix Malls all the very best, and I hope they will continue with this initiative of collecting and giving back to the needy and to the society. Thank you so much. And so, not wasting any more time, I think we should launch this wonderful festival. And all of you guys out here, shop till you drop and give back. So let's go for that. Oh yes, and before the grand unveil, time to felicitate Karishma ma'am. So I request Rashmi ma'am to kindly felicitate. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Karishma ma'am. Thank you so much to be part of this festival, to be here today. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for, the official launch of the India's highly celebrated blockbuster shopping festival. So do we do the countdown together? Yes or no? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, yes or no? Yeah. Okay, with 5, 3, 2, 1. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Phoenix Shopping Festival 2025 is now live. Shop till your heart's content while you be at the part of shopping that's purposeful. The Phoenix Shopping Festival 2025 is the ultimate end of season sale. Your perfect chance to shop till you drop and make the most of the Phoenix magic. Featuring over 500 premium, luxury, international and domestic brands, from luxury labels to your everyday favorites like Zara, Mango, H&M, Uniqlo, Tira and Nykaa and many more. But as ma'am said, it is not just about shopping, it's about making an impact.
partnering with the scale with responsibility, supporting meaningful causes that uplift communities. And yes, this time it's all about mega giveaways, daily surprises, and exclusive rewards. And this time, it's just not about the official launch, it is about. So yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's not all. We are proud to launch Phoenix 365, our brand new e-magazine packed with the latest fashion trends, beauty tips, and exclusive insights from the Phoenix malls across India. Yes, ma'am, as we said, it is an e-magazine, so I request you to please kindly come towards here and launch the e. Yes? Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the Phoenix 365 e-magazine. And yes, as we said, it is a flip book, right? Which is all about the latest fashion trends, beauty tips, and exclusive insights from the Phoenix malls across India. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Phoenix 365. Come on, everyone. And yes, now I request ma'am to speak about the Phoenix 365.
That I think, ma'am, you'll have to speak about that. But happy shopping, everyone, and have a wonderful sale and enjoy yourself.
And I request Mayank sir to kindly come on the stage to speak more about the shopping festival.
Hi everyone. So this year is very special. This year we have curated a month-long, 45 days shopping festival, which has great deals, offer, discount across brands and our partners. Along with that, we also have, like Karishma mentioned, we are giving back to society. A certain percentage of sale proceed will go back to the Sood Charity Foundation. And that's not all. We also have rewards on each and every shopping done across our Phoenix malls. So, I mean, it's a great time to shop and grab good products. Thank you all for coming for the launch of Phoenix Shopping Festival.
And yes, ladies and gentlemen, Rashmi ma'am.
Wonderful everyone, happy shopping and eating and entertainment to everyone.
And yes, as ma'am said, shop till you. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, as we get start of this blockbuster shopping festival, remember every purchase brings you closer to exciting prices and helps us make a difference to our Shop for a Cause initiative. So shop more, win more, and be a part of this incredible journey. Thank you all for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Karishma ma'am and Rashmi ma'am. Come on, everyone. Thank you so much, ma'am, to be here today. And I request.
बिग फेस्टिवल के हाथों से लॉन्च हो रहा है, कितना बड़ा ब्लेस्ड मोमेंट होता है। एंड यहाँ पर ढेरों सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर भी आए हैं जो आपसे आई थिंक बातें भी करेंगे।
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। इट्स ऑलवेज अ प्लेजर टू बी हियर एट एनी एक्चुअली फीनिक्स मॉल एंड आई थिंक व्हाट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल कि ये जो फेस्टिवल है इट इज़ अबाउट शॉपिंग एंड गिविंग बैक टू सोसाइटी। तो जो भी प्रोसीड्स आएंगे उनका कुछ पोर्शन सोसाइटी को दिया जाएगा। आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी स्पेशल टू बी और बहुत ही अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है। तो आई वांट टू विश फीनिक्स मॉल्स ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर दिस एंड हैप्पी शॉपिंग एवरीवन। थैंक यू सो मच। जी हेलो यस,
जैसे कि आपने बोला यहाँ से कुछ फंड्स वापस भी जाने वाले हैं, तो अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, अगर ये सिर्फ एक शॉपिंग फेस्टिवल होता,
I think honestly I think it's important for everyone to also come and enjoy themselves and bring their children and shop and be happy. सो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट, बट ये और भी स्पेशल था क्योंकि ये हो रहा है. थैंक यू.